The Tech and R&D Expo began with a workshop on design thinking by Mr. Sachin Kelkar, the head of Asia Pacific Scaling Intel. Following this was the Tech and R&D Project Exposition, with students demonstrating and explaining their projects.
We are the Mars Society of India. We were founded in 2012 with the aim to develop into an epitome of space research in the country. This is called as Mark 5. So what is the speciality about this? This is the most unique thing about this is the suspension mechanism that we have over here. So what it does is that as you can see, there is an obstacle over here and there is an obstacle over there in the back. So in spite of the obstacle, in spite of there being so many obstacles in over here, what it does is that the chassis is always stable.
This is a multi-purpose mechatronic spider which we made during this summer. It can transform also and currently is moving forward. Now the left side, that laser pointer is pointing in front direction, and now the transformation of this robot. So it can crawl also and it can go inside some spaces.
It's a gesture recognition system for the people who are deaf and dumb.
Oh, so on the right side you see the letter and the left side is the gesture that he's showing. So it's getting converted. And the gestures are from the American Sign Language.
Our project, Pepper Shield, is to make a composite self-defense and safety device for women and single travelers. Once the device is sprayed, it will take a photograph via the camera. The photograph will be sent to the phone. Once the moment the triggering is done in the form of incoming data, it will send out an emergency SOS message to contacts like Women's Helpline number and Police Helpline, along with personal contacts like family and friends, which can be configured in the app, personalized. It will also incorporate user location in the form of Google Maps.
We make this car to participate in the international design event Formula Student UK. The purpose of the event is to design a Formula style car and participate in the endurance run, and we should present the design to international judges, and every year we make a new car. We improve the car in steps. I mean, this year we had many improvements, like the whole chassis is made of aluminum honeycomb, and the gearbox which you are seeing at the rear of the car, that's a compound planetary gearbox, and we had seats made of carbon fiber.
This is a smart room project. We are planning to control lights, fan and AC using automatic control as well as manual control. In automatic control we have sensors like LDR for light intensity and then DST for temperature and humidity, and we have the laser detection system for number of persons in the room. So laser detection system, through the pattern of braking, it detects how many people are there in the room, and through the current conditions it will turn on the lights and fans automatically.
Our mission statement is to make an RC bot which moves on multiple surfaces like concrete floor, water, ice, grass, etc. So coming to the main concepts and features of this bot, any motion of this bot is driven by a single brushless motor which provides the all required thrust when it moves on any surface. So yeah, coming to the next feature. So the avionics involved in the bot minimizes the air drags and helps it to attain higher speeds in very less time.
Doing a project is also very important because this shows me passion, it shows me excitement, which I feel technology is all about. And the main thing about life in general is to be excited about what you're doing.
The idea of Technovation was that at any instant you shouldn't be constrained by funding or mentoring if you have an idea. The only thing that decides whether you make an idea into reality or not is your own willpower to go ahead and make that into reality.